Look up. No, I just turned on the recording. So look
Awesome.
up. So explain. Tell me. Okay, Google, stop. We'll go back to that. So start with, you tell me your name, who you are, what you're doing, and why you're doing it.
My name's Ellie Moore. I'm making a keto meatloaf for my food science final.
Okay. And since we didn't record up till now, you've taken a few pictures, but why don't you just give us a quick summary of what's happened so far?
I softened up some onions and celery.
Why don't you point and show us where you did that? Here, bring it over.
Back there.
Okay.
My hands are
Okay.
dirty. I don't want to dirty.
It's better to show people than tell them. But okay, continue. Just continue,
Okay.
please.
Then we mixed the meat in with flour, cheese, vegetables.
What kind of flour?
Almond flour, because keto, you can't have any carbs, so almond flour is a good substitute for white.
Okay.
Enriched flour.
Good.
Then we mixed all that stuff together, some soy sauce and eggs and stuff, and now we've molded it into a little loaf.
Okay. Why did we have to mold it into a loaf?
Because we don't have a meatloaf tin.
Because we didn't have a meatloaf tin, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Also, I think probably a little big.
So why don't you tell us what's going to happen next and what we can expect?
We're gonna do the most American thing and wrap some bacon around it.
Because
everybody loves wrapping bacon around stuff,
Yeah, I think that sounds like a good plan.
Yeah.
Okay.
My hands are kind of messed up.
So, you can talk to the...
Yeah.
I'm just going to let this keep going.
Can I turn my music back on?
Okay, Google, play.
As long as I keep it low.
Nothing's playing right now.
Okay, Google, start playing the last song you were playing.
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Google Music. Okay, Google. How about some music?
Sure, here's the album you want. Google Play exclusive on Google Play Music.
Oh, it's gonna play that album. No, don't. Okay, Google. Play some Motown Radio.
Motown Radio by Matt Whipke, an anonymous American. Sure. Playing on Google Play Music.
You just told it a song.
Alexa.
Let it go. Just you cook. Because this is all getting recorded.
I know.
The teacher gets to watch us sort out
Our
music.
struggle with technology.
You gonna edit it down?
Yeah, time lapse it.
What the heck is this?
I don't know.
Okay, Google, stop. Okay, Google. Play the music you were playing 10 minutes ago.
Alright, playing Rogers and Hammerstein on Google Play Music.
What? Oh gosh.
Well, we have to listen now. It's from The King and I.
What? Oh gosh. Play Purple Rain.
No.
Sure, playing the album
It's so
Purple Rain on
slow
Google
and
Play
Oh,
Music.
dragging.
I don't. I'll put the beginning as played. I played the album, not the song, actually.
Let's go crazy, good.
So that he and Dave.
Preach it to the camera. To the camera.
Yeah. I
Don't
don't.
look away. Look
I
at
don't
the
know
camera.
the words.
You don't know the words.
Not all of them. Day.
We called that singing. You know the one.
You know the one.
You this song?
Afternoon tries to break it down. Go crazy. Punch a higher. Oh, I know what. Oh, I am one smart cookie.
So you're trying to weave it?
Yeah.
So the general thing to do would be to use the cutting board and weave the bacon into a mat and then put that over. But you're fine. Just do what you're doing.
Was all I heard. No one let the elevator break us down. Oh no, let's go crazy. What's it
Okay, Google, volume down.
Look at that. Some yummy custard.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm a little nervous because I couldn't find fruit bacon.
You gonna add any seasoning to it?
Not right now. There's chili powder and oregano in there.
No, I said you want to put a little pepper on the outside or something.
Pepper and salt in the meat.
Okay, I just thought like on top of the bacon maybe, but whatever. It's all good.
Yeah, really.
No, you're a cook. I just thought it was like a nice presentation. Okay, Google, next song.
Yeah. Okay, Google. Okay, Google.
You're like slurring your words like you're drunk
Okay,
or
Google.
something.
Okay, Google. Next song. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for an hour, or at least until the bacon's crispy.
Is the oven preheated?
Oven is preheated to 400 degrees. How's that? I'm turning you off.